In this video, I will introduce the concept of break-even point. We believe in presenting information in a visual way, if it's possible to do so without compromising its value. However, in case of break-even point, in our opinion, a graph only adds to the confusion, so we went the opposite way. You really want to know what is required to break even and not where two lines meet on a graph. The break-even point occurs when all the revenues are equal to all the expenses. In other words, for a business to break even means that the business makes neither a profit or loss. For most businesses, especially in the startup stages, using the break-even point analysis can answer very important questions, such as, how many units will I need to sell for my business not to fail? The units can be easily converted to revenue by simply multiplying it by the unit sales price. If you remember from our other video, item 1's price was $150. By calculating the break-even point for each item, as if it was the only product you were selling, you learn which item would contribute the most to align with the business's strategy. The break-even point can be shifted from no profit, no loss by incorporating into the calculations the business's profit objective. In such a case, the question would be, how many units will I need to produce to achieve, say, $50,000 profit? If you anticipate any annual changes to fixed costs, you'll be able to see the adjusted break-even points for each year as well. If you remember, we allowed 5% per annum for inflation, which is reflected here. Here you will also find an answer to another question. What would be the required turnover with a combination of products unique to my business? You will see the required revenue for both break-even point and break-even with profit objective. One more thing. You possibly noticed that the break-even revenue for both item 1 and team A are the same, even though we need 3.2 times more units of item 1 to sell. This is because the major deciding factor is not the unit's price, but the markup. In both cases, it is 50%. To explore the break-even points much further, you can make changes to many other assumptions like unit costs, sale price, or cost of sales. That is all for now. Thanks for watching.